A peel patch is often used on small holes and can be a very fast technique to implement. To use a peel patch, there are several materials and tools that will be needed. The materials that will be needed are a piece of drywall several inches larger than the hole that is going to be patched and 45-minute drywall mud. The tools needed are a 6-inch and a 12-inch taping knife, a drywall saw, a pencil, a square, a wet rag, and a drywall utility knife. In order to place the peel patch into the hole, it must be cut to the shape of a rectangle. Use the drywall saw to do this. Next, with a straight edge and a pencil, draw the rough size of the hole onto the back side of the drywall patch. The back side will be recognizable from the paper's darker, thinner, rougher appearance compared to its lighter, smoother, and thicker front side. Now take the utility knife and, using the drawing as a guide, score the back side of the drywall. The patch should have at least 1 inch to 1.5 inches of paper left on all sides of its center. Now carefully break the scored edges of the patch, peeling the gypsum off the back of the paper. If the patch does not fit correctly, then trim down the patch little by little until it fits. Now remove the patch and set it aside.